This is a Toro TimeMaster personal pace. Okay, so now we cut with these every day, and this handle here is the one you hold on to keep to make it go right. And it has cracked here and here. I put some tie strap around it just to keep it from busting off, but it is really loose. You can see that. Okay, so it moves that much, and that's how it. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to make one out of pipe, and that is right there. Okay, so I got this pipe bender. It seems like really heavy pipe bender. It's made out of that's solid steel right there. They've got the hook here and a nice heavy bolt on this end with a solid shaft on this end. Great handle right here that you can use, and a great handle right here you can use here too. So if you can bend that by squeezing it together, have at it. But I don't think I can. But anyway, this is up good up to 3/4 of an inch and 19 millimeter, and it's a 3R. Okay, we can go right up to 180 degrees, and this thing is made of cast. Okay, so it's pretty good quality, and we're going to try and bend this. This is 3/4 inch pipe, and we're going to bend this to replicate that handle and see if we can make that work. So let's see if we can get this. Now I'm going to put this in the ground because there's no way to really hold it other than putting in a piece of pipe or something and go from there. But I'm just going to go like this and see if I can bend this around. And you just got to move this as you go. I don't know if this pipe is going to hold up. It is bending it good, I'll tell you that. It might be too thin of a wall. It might crack. I don't know. But we're going to find out. You see how you just got to move that ever so slightly just to bend it a little more. Okay, so I'm going to measure. That took a bit, but she went. I think this pipe is going to work good. So what I'm going to do is flatten these corners out, find out where these holes are on here, and then make it that wide, and then flatten this out, cut it where it's got to be, make a loop, and then cut it through and go from there. But I'll tell you what, this bender works really good, actually. Holy cow. I had no idea that would bend it like that. All right, well, she took some doing, I'll tell you what, but I got her on, and that's solid, I'll tell you what. Like, look at that. So that's basically that. That's going to hold on. You grab onto it, and off you go. But I'll tell you what, that is some solid. You look at that, that ain't moving. It ain't going nowhere. I love it. Because you can't get that handle. Even if you do, it takes 2 weeks, even a week or 2 weeks to even get it. And I said, nope, I made my own. There's a link in the description, boys, if you want one of these. Make yourself a handle. Yeah.